Good day. Today I'm going to be discussing about types and functions of ECDIS. Vector charts or ENC or VNC made of data. They store data in a way that allows chart to be zoomed in and out without losing clarity, and it is also interactive. You can click objects for more informations, and it is flexible. It it can display its display can be customized and different layers of information can be shown or hidden depending to your preference or depending on what you need on your voyage. It is smaller in size. They take up less storage because they are made of data points. So that is for vector charts. Raster charts or RNC are scanned images. They are scanned images of paper charts. You cannot interact with raster charts. It is fixed display. The entire chart is shown as it is without the ability to hide or show any layers. It is just paper charts in the computer screen. It is larger in size. They take up more storage space because they are images. Vector charts are more modern, interactive, and customizable, while raster charts are simpler and more like traditional paper charts in a computer. So that is the difference of vector charts and raster charts. So information layers are preset data. These layers of data that come with the chart like depth, coastline, navigational aids, for example like buoys, like that. Fixed content. You cannot change the data, but you can choose to show or hide different layers depending on what you need on your voyage. For example, like depth. You can hide the depth or you can show the depth depending on what you need. User chart layers are custom data. These layers allows user to add their own information like notes, marks, routes on top of the standard chart. It is editable. You can add, modify, delete information as needed for your specific voyage. So, for example, you can add like obstacles if you have obstacles in your route or you have information that isn't in the information layers like some collision there, you can add it in the user chart layers. Events are recorded actions. These are record of what happened during the voyage, like marking the position of a ship at a certain time or noting an incident. It is also time based. Events are linked to specific times and position, helping in tracking the ship history and decision made during the voyage. So this can only be accessible with the permission of the captain. He holds the password of the events and commands on putting these events in the ENC. So in summary, information layers are standard data provided by the chart. User chart layers are for navigators' custom notes, and events are timestamp records of what happened during the voyage. So that is all for my presentation. Thank you for listening.